My name is Aidan Brown and my course is chemistry. There's lots of things for chemistry A-level, from loads of experiments to lots of theory work to do, titrations and stuff where like you blow things up and make things on fire, change the colour of them, so it's all good fun. My tutor is really good. She teaches me a lot of things to do in my spare time and what to do for things like work experience to help me have a much better future. For my work experience, I worked at Asda for sort of the business side because I did business A-level as well, to think about their financial status and how they can improve it. And I'm going to do another one in an insurance company. My plan for after college will probably be university, hopefully one close to home, and hopefully do a chemistry course there. They should come to the Eastbourne campus because all the teachers are amazing. They focus on you as much as possible, not just the type of person, anyone, and your grades will flourish here.